Okay, there's an interesting question sa TikTok, no? Sabi niya dito, Doc, pwede bang mag-vitamins like magnesium and iron while taking medications for blood pressure? If yes, tuwing kailan po? Now, there are a lot of videos involving magnesium na pwede daw inumin ito. This is a vitamin, or this is a supplement that can help you sleep, ganun. Pero yung question natin is directed towards blood pressure. Now, what are the data that are available and that are peer-reviewed about magnesium? Well, magnesium acts as a mild vasodilator and it helps regulate the influx of calcium sa conduction sa ating katawan. So it can have an effect on blood pressure. However, if we are being strict and kailangan natin maging standardized sa gamutan based on available clinical practice guidelines, mga peer-reviewed across all or almost all international societies like your Philippine Society of Hypertension, ADA, or American College of Cardiology, okay? In the strict sense, walang studies that are recommending magnesium as part of the treatment for hypertension. Rather than giving magnesium alone, as a supplement alone, ang nire-recommend po ng most guidelines and most societies is you get your magnesium directly sa kinakain mo, because magnesium is readily available from almost all vegetables and even some types of fruits that are rich with magnesium. Now, the most specific type of diet na nire-recommend in across all studies or across almost most guidelines for hypertension is DASH, dietary approach to stop hypertension. So that DASH diet is usually incorporating the right amount of potassium, the limitations for sodium, and even the traces or even levels of magnesium from your diet. And it also mentions that you have to restrict high sodium intake foods and also limit oily foods. Kasi mas mainam kasi na nakukuha natin yung mga other supplements natin sa pagkain natin. Kasi saan ba tayo nag-start ng gamutan? Correcting the proper diet rather than popping any pills or pag-inom ng gamot that is just solely magnesium. Okay, you can get your magnesium from what you eat rather than spending money for just a standalone pill for magnesium. Okay, so in my strict sense, kung magagastos man kayo, just buy it for your maintenance medication. Okay, drink your maintenance medication every day, consistently sa schedule, have an exercise, correct your diet, that is appropriate for hypertension, and do follow up with your doctor regularly para makontrol natin ang hypertension mo. Now, there are only, I think, isa lang sa mga recommendations that will correlate magnesium and hypertension, and that is during pregnancy. And what scenario? Preeclampsia. Okay? And hindi lang basta-basta yung magnesium na yan. You give the magnesium intravenously. Okay? Magnesium can be given intravenously in cases of preeclampsia because it will protect the brain of the baby. Okay? During the times na mataas ang blood pressure ni mommy. Okay? Yun lang yung pagkakataon na na-include ang magnesium sa guidelines or clinical practice guidelines for the management of a certain hypertension in a special population. Example is your pregnant women. Okay? Hopefully, nakatulong itong video na to. I'll make another video siguro for iron kasi tinanong naman niya yung iron. And if you have questions, please drop them down below. Please like the video. Again, subscribe to the channel if you like this. And this has been Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life.